To question 5, third part of exercise 8.4, in which we have to prove this is equal to and we have to find right hand side. Let us take left hand side only and put the value tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Use this identities because it is very easy when we convert into sin theta and cos theta terms. So tan is sin over cos and cot is cos over sin plus value of cot theta, value of tan theta. Because now take LCM. When we take LCM, we get sin theta as LCM and sin minus cos theta. Here also take LCM. What you will get? Cos minus sin over cos theta. Now when two terms are there and both the terms are in fraction, then what can be done? This will go upward and this as it is in the denominator. Similarly this side, let us try to solve it, simplify it, upward, and this is in denominator form. Now sin and sin square, denominator as it is, cos square, denominator same. Now see the denominator, they are looking like same. If we have to take the LCM, what is the difference? Here is cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sin theta. So if we take common from here, then it will look like this. So let us take common. This as it is. I have taken negative sign common. And what will affect over it? It will become this positive and this negative. After taking common negative, their sign will be interchanged. Now let us take LCM. LCM is three terms, sin theta, cos theta and this bracket, because this is common, so one time. Now after taking LCM, these two terms will cut down and sin theta left. Here also cos theta will multiply it after taking LCM. Now sin cube theta minus cos cube theta over this. Now apply the formula a cube minus b cube in the numerator. We know the formula of a cube minus b cube. It is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now applying this formula, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. We get this, where a is sin theta and b is cos theta. Denominator as it is. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So use over here, we get using this identity. So after using identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, we have put 1 and the remaining term as it is. Now see, something is cancelled out, this bracket and this bracket, and we get this. Now right hand side getting, divide the denominator, dividing by denominator both the terms. Do it separate. This over this, this over this. When we divide, 1 over sin theta is cosecant theta and 1 over cos theta is secant theta, and this cancel is equal to 1. What we have applied? 1 over sin is cosecant and 1 over cos is secant, and this is our right hand side, and hence we can do this question.